Aquaphor Lip Repair, Immediate Relief, Fragrance-Free. 35 fluid ounces, 10 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Number 1 Dermatologist recommended lip care brand for severely dry lips, proven to relieve dryness and soothe chapped, cracked lips with vitamins, shea butter and chamomile essence, fragrance-free and paraben-free. Aquaphor Lip Repair immediately relieves dryness and soothes chapped, cracked lips. It provides effective, long-lasting moisture, so lips look and feel healthier. Formulated with a special combination of nourishing vitamins, C, E, provitamin B5, moisturizers, shea butter, and soothing chamomile essence, Aquaphor leaves lips feeling soft and comfortable. Aquaphor is the number 1 dermatologist recommended lip care brand. Fragrance-free. No preservatives or dyes. Appropriate for sensitive lips. Suggested use. Apply to lips as needed. Other ingredients. Alkyl-dodecanol, C1838 alkyl hydroxysteroyl stearate, Ricinus communis, castor, seed oil, caprylic, capric triglyceride, glycerin, bisdiglycerol polyisolatipate 2, panthenol, water, polyglycerol 3-disostearate, butyrospermum parkii, shea, butter, hydrogenated castor oil, tocopherol acetate, bisabolol, sodium ascorbyl lecithin, tocopherol, ascorbyl beeswax, C2040 alkyl stearate, magnesium stearate, magnesium sulfate, glycerol stearate, glycerol oleate, citric acid. Warnings. Caution, keep out of reach of children. Stop use if irritation develops. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.